I almost skipped this particular trade. That's because most people are actually looking for selling opportunities, and on this particular trade we have a strong buy opportunity. And if this looks familiar, it's because exactly it looks like the trade we took yesterday right here. All right, so let's break down this 1-to-18 risk reward ratio potential beautiful trade right here. Okay, so from the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that we have a drop, base, and a rally with multiple break-off structure to the upside. This is the move we caught yesterday, a beautiful trade right here. And we also have equal lows which were left behind, slightly taken out by this momentum, these candles right to the downside, and the market has pushed a little bit to the upside right here. So what I'm anticipating as the market opens on Monday, I want to see some sort of Asian system being formed around this area so that it can be taken out and price comes to the downside before we can actually go to the upside. My stop loss is 5 pips and my target is 90 pips right here. You can see right here, and I'm making this a 1-to-18 risk reward ratio. However, let's go to the higher time frame so that we can understand why I actually want to buy on this particular trade. So this is exactly like yesterday's trade, like I said. So what we have on the higher time frame right here is the market breaking structures to the upside. You can see the market has kept on breaking structures to the upside. So this structure was also broken, and even this other one right here was also broken. So what are we having? We're having the market continually creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows right here. You can see that this is also a break right there. Okay, so because of that, would like to actually look for buy opportunities. So if you look also closely, the only other level where the market can come to before going back to the upside is this level right here. But like I said yesterday, this is a bit too far. So we'll be expecting the market to react from where the market is right now, this demand zone which was left behind. As you can see, it looks really nice. It's a strong drop base rally to the upside. This is very significant in my books, right? So all we have to do right now is to wait and see how the market responds as the market opens once at this particular area. This is a very good setup if you ask me, and this has got more potential and I have more confidence in it than the previous trade that we won, because we have very strong and defined zones right here, unlike the other one right here. So this is a very nice drop based rally, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure to the upside, and this was formed by big momentum candles. Then we have very nice equal lows right here. Then the market slightly took them out. So as the market opens, if the market goes to the upside on the open, then we miss out. And remember, the market can also just drop and take everyone out right here. That's the reason why we always wait for confirmation. It's extremely important, and it's not a negotiable, guys, non-negotiable. So we always have to wait for the confirmation right here. And once we've had it, we want something like this, guys. The market creates an Asian session, takes it out, and then goes to the upside. Like in this particular case right here, the market takes out the Asian session, comes here, and then goes to the upside. That's exactly what we're looking for. So without that happening, then there's no trade for us. It's a beautiful, very nice 1-to-18 risk reward ratio. Let's see what the market decides to do as we open on Monday. All right, you guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.